Okay, hello, baby. Okay, okay. Ah, my God. Tiger, miss me? Ah, oh. Ah, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, your baby. Let me see too. Come back. Okay, come on. Okay. What? Why? What are you doing upstairs, huh? Just saved this little thing from all the monsters. Look at them, they're still searching for him. All of them, they were trying to kill this little birdie. Jesus. I think it still has last breath. Oh my God, what should I do with you? They all went crazy for this little birdie. Lucky is still looking for it right now. Should put it in a box first.
Killing it fast is better than giving it to the dogs and they slowly push it around and like stomp on it and stuff like that.
I don't have the balls of doing this.
It's not balls, it's doing what must be done.
Okay, alright.
Well, you don't have to do anything, just let it be comfortable.
Okay. Look at her face. Her face are full of thorns because she was digging in the field trying to hunt for this bird. Like, what the fucking problem with you? Like, you have such a cute face. Why are you acting like a monster sometimes? Spicy barbecued eggplant, mushroom with vegetable, and steamed egg. Let's try to feed the birds a little bit. Let's see if... No? Let's come check the little birdie. Oh. Hello. Morning. Oh, he pooped. That's a good sign. Oh my God, look at him. He's hiding. This looks like your mom, huh? It makes you feel like it's mom. You're still in the nest? So cute. Starting to do my parking space today because I had one time after the rain my car was stuck, so I have to do this before rainy season starts.
เธอจะเอากว้างกี่เมตร
กี่เมตรมาจากที่นี่ถึงตรงไหนถึงนี่ไปห้องน้ำไม่ถามไปห้องน้ำเอาทาง bridge
อ๋อ
ใช่
ถ้าเป็นในทางเดิน
ใช่
อ๋อ
This is the same guy who actually told my car last time. Now he's doing my parking space. That's my neighbor's son. Another worker just came. Oh my God, today is so busy. พี่คะเป็นยังไงบ้างคะ
โอ้ย เหนื่อย
เหนื่อย
เหนื่อยจริงๆ
ทำไม ไม่มีวันหยุด
ไม่มีวันหยุดเลย
ไม่มีวันหยุดเลยไปห้องน้ำฉันอยากทำอันนี้แบบนี้
อ๋อทำสารไม้ไผ่สารไม้ไผ่แล้ว
สาร
ปู
ไม้ไผ่
เป็นพื้นไป
ใช่มาจากที่นี่เดิน
ไปงี้เลยใช่ไหมตรง
ใช่
นี้
ใช่
เลย
ใช่
ไหม
ใช่
ประมาณนี้
อืม
ความยาวประมาณนี้
ใช่ใช่
ขอได้คุ้มด้วย
หัวดำสีดำสีดำเขาเลี้ยงหมูขุนเขาต้องเอาอาหารให้มันซื้ออาหารให้มันกิน
ถ้าสมมติเธอเลี้ยงหมูเลี้ยงแพะห้ามไปเชียงใหม่
ได้แจ้งพี่ยานะ
ไม่มีใครดู
ได้แจ้งพี่เลี้ยง
These are the concrete water pipes they're gonna bury under the road
ลูกใส่หลังตี
挺边呢
ได้ปะ
ได้กว่า
รุ่นใหม่อ่ะ
รุ่นใหม่ไหมอ่ะรุ่นใหม่ก็มีหรอ
เรียกว่าไอ้นี่อะไรเอาลูก
Lucky is such a monster. She wants to eat the bird. Birdie. Now Blue's here. Blue hurt him. Look at Lucky's dress. Lucky. Oh my god. Come here, Tiger. No.
What a fun.
Is there a dead body inside?
Yeah, a cow.
First time doing some proper grilling in my garden.
We also do some thin cuts and do like
ทำอะไรคะ
อันนี้ต
โอ้
ำใช่
peppercorn. So many chefs. Beautiful steak.
almost done. We got like a couple more coming.
Oh, it's a pickled garlic. My first bite of meat in a while.
可以吗
That's a good one to start with.
？OK OK，然后先是先开还是以后给？
So good. Welcome. You open the door like it's a mansion, you know.
Yeah, it's been raining like really close. So let's
Whoa. So like,
look up the steak before the. Wait, got the final bill.
whoa.
For
Oh my god. Look at this weather right now. Everyone's on a boat, shivering, wet.
It's like a koala. I've never heard of.
Their cars might get stuck. Okay, okay. Still moving. Oh, yeah. I don't think so.
Stuck there.
I think Yuri is really good. I wouldn't be able to drive through this. Woo! Wow! Congratulations! Oh my god.